Pongal is not just a dish, it's a celebration of harvest and gratitude. Today, we'll make this in the new Philips OneChef. We will be using the special non-stick cooking pot for this. Press the power button, select curry mode, followed by Tadka preset. Set it for 7 minutes on medium heat and press start. Add the yellow moong dal to the cooking pot and dry roast for about 7 minutes. Transfer the roasted dal to the bowl, add water and soak for 30 minutes. Press the power button, select boil mode, followed by rice preset. Set it to 45 minutes on medium heat and press start. To the cooking pot, add ghee. Once the ghee is hot, add mustard seeds, whole black peppercorns, cashew nuts, hing, chopped ginger, green chilies, and saute for about 5 minutes. Add the soaked rice and dal to the prepared tadka. Add water and salt to taste and mix well. Cover with a special glass lid and cook for the remaining 40 minutes or until soft and creamy. Transfer to a serving dish and garnish with ghee, fried cashew nuts and a coriander sprig. And done! Warm, festive and rooted in tradition. That's Pongal, made easy with the new Philips OneChef. It's all you need.